Hopefully the lesson 1, stage 1 wasn't too difficult, but let's work through the solution here. First, in defining your execute method, scroll down to the execute method, uncomment the line that takes in a tuple, gets the string at position 0, and names it word. We check if the word is present in the map. If it's not present, add the word with a count of 1, countMap.put word 1, else the word is already there, hence get the count. Integer val equals countMap.getWord, and increment the count and save it to the map with countMap.put word and increment the value by 1. After countMap is updated, emit the word and count to the output collector by uncommenting the line, emit collector that takes in the new values word and countMap.getWord, which is our count. Once that's completed in part 2 of 3, we need to scroll down to our declare output fields method and simply uncomment the output fields declarer that calls the method declare with new fields word and count that we just emitted. Finally, for part 3 of 3, scroll down to our topology builder section, and here we have our builder.setBolt with an ID report bolt, which is a new report bolt with a parallelism of 1. Finally, remember from our quiz that we want a global grouping, so we have dot global grouping, which takes in a component ID count bolt. To visualize this, this is our spout, here's our count bolt, and our report bolt using the same color scheme as our quiz. Note we have our fields grouping connecting the spout to our bolt count bolt, and finally a global grouping which takes all streams from the count bolt to the report bolt. And finally, our report bolt connects to our visualization. With your Flask microserver running, go to your command line in lesson 2, stage 1, do a maven package. Once you see build success, I'm going to clear this. Submit your topology using the command storm jar target udacity hyphen, remember that and hit tab. Remember we want the dependencies in our jar, udacity.storm.word count topology with camel case. And we see as our storm topology runs, we switch to our visualization, and we see that the name and size are linked to the count. So as our topology runs longer, the count increases and the names get bigger. Great, congratulations on finishing stage 1. Your code should now match stage 2.